Hello, everyone, and welcome to new weekly market review. We are starting the week from 6th of July till 10th of July. And as always, we start with the economic calendar to see what we will be having in this upcoming week. On Monday, we will have ISM service PMI. On Tuesday, we will be having the medium impact news. And then Wednesday, we will have the major news on New Zealand. New Zealand, always they start the official cash rate or the review for their interest rate. Always this country start first and then followed by next week on other countries. So for Kiwi, we will be having the announcement and they are expecting the interest rate to increase. This is the forecast to increase to 2.5. So if you are trading the New Zealand dollar pairs, you can focus on this day, on Wednesday, to see if there is any liquidity grab or anything, any clear structure to trade. And then on Wednesday, on US dollar, which is the FOMC minute meeting. Then followed by Thursday, we will be having only medium impact news. And then Friday will be high impact news on Canadian dollar, which is the unemployment rate for that forecasted to be the same. But irrespective, we can focus. My trading schedule will be that I will be focusing on trading Monday evening if I see any clear structure. And then Tuesday, I will be looking at any British pound trade, if there is any. Wednesday, I might trade the New Zealand dollar impact after the news, which will be during London after the news by 1 hour or 2 hours to see if any clear structure. And then I will wait for the FOMC minutes and I will also trade if I have any clear structure after the news, because I need to see the market to settle first before taking any action. And then we will see if this will follow after the FOMC news, and then the trade might follow. And then depends. So it's going to be a busy week for me in terms of trading. So this is what I will be looking for this week. Now heading back into the DXY, and this is the monthly chart. As we started the month, it's better to look at the monthly chart. As you see, DXY, this is the previous month candle, and the previous monthly candle open from here, push all the way higher, and took all these liquidities on top. So do I think that the market will continue or will it move lower? So depend on the lower time frame structure, which is the weekly, daily, and 4 hour. We will see, because these are the points of interest. The first point is this one, because I'm thinking that it might come and grab the liquidity, swipe the liquidity from here, and then will push lower, or it might push lower first and then continue. As you see, this candle was bullish for previous month, which is June. Okay. So let's go to the weekly chart and see what happened last week. And if you don't know, this is my diamond pivot indicator, which I use it to identify the large swing and medium swing in the market, which is the turning point. So if there is any turning point, this indicator, which is related to the price, this is the only indicator that I'm using to indicate the price. And this is a dynamic indicator. It's not a lagging indicator. This is a dynamic indicator that I developed to have a clear bias on the market. So irrespective, last week, the price, the DXY last week came and took the liquidity from here, as you see. It took the liquidity and then push higher but it did not take the liquidity from here. I am interested to see whether it can take the liquidity and then it moved to the May 2025 high before it moved lower. So this is my first scenario. So I might be looking for a structure to either take the liquidity from this high and this high and then it move lower, or the market might go lower from here, because this candle also closed as bearish weekly candle. Let's go to the daily and see what happened. This candle, we will adjust this line later. So Monday, the price was moving lower, then it moved higher. It took the liquidity from this candle, which is Friday high. Then it pushed lower, all the way lower, and rebalanced this fair value gap on the daily, and then it pushed lower. Before 4th of July holiday, many banks closed the session earlier, and they were no news to push this market high. They were no news to push this market higher. Let's see on the 4-hourly chart. On 4-hourly chart, this is an order block. On daily chart, it shows fair value gap. I will be interested to see whether the market, where it will head first, and then where it will give me a clear bias to continue. We will see how that structure develops. Now, after we have a clear structure on the DXY, we will have to adjust these two lines. This is the previous week low and previous week high, and always keep it simple. And because this high is already been taken, I will take it. And my interest is whether the price will take this liquidity. So I will place an alert here like this. And once I receive the alert, I will know what is the market will be telling. Now let's head to XAU USD. This is the monthly chart of gold. This is the previous month, which is June. As you see, the price move lower. It took the liquidity of this candle, but it did not clearly took the liquidity from here. I'm still expecting that it might go lower, but since the structure of last week, which I will show you now, it did not give any confirmation that the price will continue lower. Because of this, the price was overextended on the monthly. We started the month from 4,500 plus, and then it moved all the way lower, taking the liquidity of this candle, and then, so this is an overextended. I'm expecting at least the gold might move at least 50% of this candle. If we draw the premium and discount like this, I'm expecting that the price can move at least 50% of this candle. It might move up to 4,250. Enough pips to make money. And let's go to the weekly chart. This weekly chart, why it gave me the indication that it is moving higher? Because last week it took the liquidity of the previous week before it moved higher. And I got an early entry here, which I will be showing you. Now let's adjust the chart. Let's adjust our lines, and I will show you on the lower time frame what I added. What are these circles? And this is a big reversal candle on the weekly, indicating that it might move or it might continue its move. The price might give us retracement somewhere here, give us a confirmation, and then move higher. But this is the first scenario. The second scenario, the price might continue from here, take the liquidity of this candle, push one more lower, and then move higher. I'm only taking trades based on a clear confirmation. And the interesting part, this is my diamond pivot. As soon as the price took the liquidity, this double diamond was created, confirming that this is a high probability, low risk trade. We started the day, the week, the price moved lower. This is the weekly, previous month, Monday. This is previous Monday candle. The price moved lower, took the liquidity. As soon as it took the liquidity, I started looking for buyers to buy the gold before it continued. Then going to the 4-hour chart, this is what I highlighted here. This is the first trade that you could take as soon as the price took the liquidity. Here, it moved higher, broke the structure here, and then move lower, give us another candle. This is reversal candle and engulfing candle on 4-hour chart. The engulfing candle need to sweep the prior candle low and then close above the prior candle opening price. This is the trade, and then the price started moving higher. And for the people who want to see the money, the real money behind these trades, and let me show you my trade of last week. This was the trades that I took. This is on one of my accounts. So this is one of my accounts. So this is the trade. I took it at 4,027 to 4,099. One lot. This is for 1 week. This is enough to make money on weekly basis and even on monthly basis if this is your target. I don't like to show my performance. I need to overcome that because I don't like to show and brag. It's not my nature like other traders or other educators in this field. I can show you the execution itself. So the price moved from here. I missed this trade because I was thinking that I need good confirmation, but I took it from here on Thursday and then it moved a little bit. As soon as it moved here, I closed the trade. That is enough for me to make good income from trading. So this is what I have for this week. And yeah, before we go, let's adjust the lines. It is very important to adjust the line, keep the chart clean. So I'll keep the chart clean, removing all these. And because this line has already been taken, this liquidity, I am adjusting my lines here. I am adjusting my lines. So I started trading only gold recently. Before I was focusing on multiple pairs, but then I found that less is more. The more I focus on one pair, the better for me. But still, irrespective, I'm trading British pound, US dollar, and euro USD. When I see clear trade, but my main focus now is on gold because I found that I can generate a highest income if I focus on one pair. So that's it for me. I wish you happy trading, successful week ahead. Take care and see you next week.